Peeps, why am I here checking in from Target? Well, the new DuckTales cartoon, which I'm a huge fan of because I loved the original DuckTales, has new figures and plushes and a whole new line of goodies out here at Target. And so I wanted to come to my local one and see if they had them up yet. And here they are. Check it out. They have all sorts of DuckTales stuff here at Target. I think it's exclusive to Target, but let's take a look at what they have. Of course, you've got your basic action figures. These are $9 a piece. You've got Scrooge, Donald, who else is available? Flintheart Glumgold, and Launchpad. They have right here. And here's a better look at Flintheart. He comes with that little diamond and his walking stick over here. And Donald comes with, I guess, like an iPad or something. And is that a camera? I think that's a camera right there. You also have 2 packs of Webby and Louie. And also Webby and Louie. Is Huey and Dewey in here? Yeah, there they are. Huey and Dewey. I think in the new cartoon, I think Louie might actually be my favorite in the new cartoon. But they're all so cool looking, and they look just like they're ripped straight out of the cartoon. They also have 6-packs or packs of figures. So this one's a 6-pack, and it's Scrooge, Webby, and his nephews. And I guess those are what go in the Money Bin playset. So I guess the Money Bin playset may be more sized to these little guys than the action figures. Alright, you also have these Quackers Plush with sound. Where does the sound come from?
I love being a triplet.
Oh, he's not quacking.
If it's not in the Junior Woodchuck guidebook, then it's not a thing.
What about Scrooge? What does he say?
Tougher than the toughies and smarter than the smarties. You kids are nothing but trouble. Bless me bagpipes.
Bless me bagpipes. That sounds like David Tennant's voice straight out of the cartoon. So the plushies were $13. Over here you have $5 mini figures. It looks like they are mystery figures. You don't know who's in what. But these are the available options, including Darkwing Duck. And is that Magica Dispel's daughter, niece? I don't remember exactly who she is in the cartoon. But I know she's undercover as a friend to Webigail. But those are the options available in there. Darkwing Duck. Over here for $10, they have a DVD, Destination Adventure, which is, let's see what's included in here. It looks like a bunch of different episodes, actually, a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I counting that right? 8 episodes, plus some classic episodes on DVD for $10, including the new Gizmo Duck premiere, played by Lin-Manuel Miranda. Some good episodes in there. Over here, you've got, some Disney comics, DuckTales, Reprint comics. I think these are just screen caps. No, I don't know. No, these are not screen caps from the cartoon. These are the original comics that I think Boom Studios is currently producing, either them or IDW. But these are fun comics, and so these are $10 a piece. And how cool is this? Launchpad McQuack's Sun Chaser airplane. It includes Sun Chaser airplane and a Launchpad McQuack action figure. So I don't know if it's similar to that one or if it's more aligned with those sizes, but here is the Sun Chaser. And that's how he fits in it. So not exactly like it is in the cartoon, but still pretty cool. Build and play. So it looks like it comes in pieces and just kind of goes together like that. The Sun Chaser is $25, but of course, for $30, the awesomeness that is Scrooge's Money Bin. Find Scrooge's #1 diamond sign, turn the dial to open the vault. Store and display your favorite characters. Again, it's hard to tell if these are the figures or these guys. Let's see. In this, Dewey's punching. Is Dewey punching here? Dewey is punching here. So these go with those size figures. So if you get the Money Bin, just so you know, I know I'm moving this camera a lot. These are probably not the right size to fit in here. And one last thing here is the Shake Your Tail game. Twist and shake your tail, send the balls flying. Huh, okay. So I won't be leaving with that one, but that game is 15 bucks. Shake your tail. All right, peeps, we are back home, and I wanted to take a minute to show you guys what I picked up as far as DuckTales is concerned. So as you can see, I kind of went a little crazy because, like I said, DuckTales is one of my favorite Disney properties, and Scrooge McDuck, right here, that dude is probably my favorite Disney character, with Donald Duck in a close second. So I picked up the whole set of the action figures, as you can see here. So I've got Huey, Dewey, Louie, Webby, Flintheart, Glumgold, Launchpad McQuack, Scrooge, and Donald. I also picked up the money bin. Now, as you can see, there's a little Scrooge in front of him, and I showed you guys that in, let me show you a little better. When I was in Target, he's a a much smaller Scrooge than this Scrooge. And the reason I picked these guys up, I wasn't originally planning to, is that the money bin is in scale. Oops, well, there goes Dewey. That's supposed to just pop open, but it didn't. Is in scale with these little guys. So he would go, trying to do this in reverse. Well, in theory, he should go right in here next to his lucky dime. So I got him and all the other ones as well. Here you go. And these two. The problem with them is that none of them really stand all that great. Well, that one did okay. But when I was messing with them earlier, they kind of tend to fall over because of their little feet here. So you might have to do a little squishing down or maneuvering their legs a little bit, bending them a little bit to get them to stand up. So this here is the money bin. It's it's a little cheap looking, but it's only 30 bucks. So for the price of it, it's there's not much to it. You put your little guys in here. It's got the lucky dime. It's already pre-built, and this is how it looks. And I also picked up Launchpad's plane. There that one is. Now this one, again, very little assembly. You actually just had to pop in the wings and these little things right here. It also comes with a launch pad, and just looking at them, let's see. I think they're the same launch pad. So, oops. Oh, well, there went all those guys. So if you pick up the plane, I don't know that you need to also pick up a launch pad. I wish I had known that beforehand, because the only difference is that this launch pad, I guess, comes with a wrench and some binoculars. But that's the only difference between the two launch pads that I can see. All right, here is one last look at everybody and the stuff they come with. Junior Woodchuck guidebook right there. Webby's like infrared lenses. Dewey comes with a soda can. Donald over there comes with a camera. Scrooge comes with that little statue and his cane. Launchpad, there's the wrench and binoculars. And there's Flintheart Glumgold's diamond. And over here is the money bin. As you can see, it's just kind of like a sticker background of the money bin. There's Scrooge, the magic dime, or the lucky dime. It's also magical. And down here, Launchpad's plane. I really like the look of the plane. It's got like this little latch back here. It's a little tricky for me to open it, but it doesn't really do anything. It's just a latch. I'm not entirely sure what would even fit in there. Maybe one of the small kids figures? Not entirely sure. But up here is where your launch pad would go. Ta-da! Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe and notification buttons down below. Make sure you leave a comment, a thumbs up. Let us know what you'd like to see in future videos, and we will catch you guys next time.